Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the Idol Cosmos. The Idol Cosmos is Roto Grip's newest HP3 line ball. Inside the Idol Cosmos is the Icon core, and in 15 pounds has an RG of 2.49 and a differential of 0.52. The cover stock on this one is the Extreme Tracks Pearl cover stock, which does have some nano on it, and it comes finished at a 4000 grit Aberlon. The layout that I have on the Idol Cosmos is 50 by 4 5/8 by 35. This will give me a nice control when the pattern does start to burn up, and it would be a great step down from the HP4 line balls or the Premier line balls from the Storm line. The ball that I'll be comparing it to today is another Zen. I did drill a second Zen. The layout on that one is going to be 50 by 4.5 by 30. Again, we are at Port Huron lanes. This time we are on lane 2. We are bowling on their typical house shot, which is about 43 feet. Of course, I do want to give a huge shout out to Storm and Turbo Grips for supplying me with great equipment and keeping my needs fulfilled when it comes to balls or any sort of drilling equipment that I do need. First couple of shots with the Idol Cosmos, I did find that I did have to stand a little bit further right with it being a fresher pattern, and this of course being a 4000 grit finish with the pearlized cover. Typically you would use this when the lanes start to transition. I would say probably around game 2 or maybe even game 3 of league, depending on how you do throw. I did find a consistent smooth reaction throughout the whole ball motion, and I was able to play around different parts of the lane. For me personally, I did find a comfort level with this ball right around third arrow or so. With it being a little bit fresher, of course I was playing straighter. I did still find a consistent smooth reaction throughout the whole part of the video. I wasn't throwing it the best by any means, but me personally, I do have a harder time sometimes when a ball has a big core like this and a strong pearlized cover, because I do tend to get an over-under with it. With the 4000 grit finish, I did find that I didn't get as much of an over-under, especially on the fresh. This is something that would be scoreable, at least for the way I throw, especially when it comes to a fresh house shot. For me personally, this is definitely not going to be the go-to ball straight out of the bag to test a pattern. I find that the Zen Soul is going to be a lot better when it comes to that because it gives me more of a benchmark shape. I did decide to compare the Idol Cosmos to the Zen Soul. What I did find is that the Idol Cosmos retains energy a lot better and has a stronger move on the back end. The Zen Soul is better at blending patterns, I would say, and is going to be able to handle a little bit more volume than what I did find with the Idol Cosmos. That's why I would definitely say the Zen Soul is going to be a better first ball out of my bag when I'm trying to look for that benchmark reaction. Once again, a huge thank you to Storm Bowling Products and Turbo Grips for allowing me to use their great equipment for my day-to-day bowling needs. Thank you for watching my review for the Idol Cosmos. Please comment, like, and subscribe for future ball reviews.